I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world and right on time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this.
So, K1 exit B2. Yan. Tapos, diretso po ang lakad.
Ayan, may signage po. Sundan po natin yung Hong Kong Museum of the War of Resistance and Coastal Defense. Ayun po yung... Doon tayo. So, dire-diretso lang po ang lakad. Dire-diretso lang po ang lakad. Ay, nako. Kung gagala kang sobrang init. Ayan, tawid tayo. Tapos, turn left. Ayan, di ka naman mawawala kasi may signage. Kaya subway. Ito, may signage naman siya. Huwag na tayo mag-subway. Dire-diretso na lang tayo. Subway, kaya ito yun. Hindi yan bang kajikwa dragon? Gisek o. Dalian natin at nagbiblink na. Nagbiblink na. Yun to. Bawal pa gawin yun. Mga expert lang po gumagawa. Ayan. Huwag na tayong dadaan. So, dito na tayo. Yung subway dito din yung akyat sana. Kaso hindi kami dumaan sa subway. Dire-diretso na lang kami sa may tawiran. My goodness. Beating the red light. Bawal na bawal po yun dun. Dito sa Hong Kong. Mga gawain lang po ng expert. Ayan. Tapos diretso lang po. Malapit lang. Wala pang 5 minutes na yung lakad natin. Siyempre. Pinidilisan. Ayan. Hindi ka mawawala talaga. May signage naman na susundan. Buti na lang mahangin. Ayan, kung may nakikita na kayong kulay brown na building, malapit na. Asa biglang mo kayo? Asa biglang mo talaga timbagan eh. Siguro nga nag-interest na, you know. Makatawid tayo. Mamaya. Pero malapit na tayo. Kung may hagdan din siya pataas, oh. Pwede siguro dun, no? Ay, di ba yung sabi niya sa may lift? May lift yan. Tapos papunta sa may bridge. Oo, gano'n. Ayan. Ang laki-laki ng signage, oh. Oh. Tawid tayo dito. Tawid tayo, oh. Tawid. Kaso mag-antay na naman. Another tawiran. Naka-red na naman siya. Kita mo lang karoon nga dalugan nun eh. Layo ng inukutan eh. Tingnan mo, may sasakyan. Oh, definitely. Oh, sasakyan. May bus stop naman palang malapit lang dito. Ayan. Pag ayaw mo maglakad, pwede kang mag-bus stop. Ayan yung mga numbers ng bus na pwedeng sakyan. Ayan. Dito na kami sa may entrance. Ayan. Hindi, pwede.
Yan, dito na kami sa may Hong Kong Museum of War. Pasok tayo. Doon tayo. Init-init nga lang kasi. Kala mo totoo. Ayo. Tapos na sila mag-ikot. Kami paakyat pa lang. Yeah. Anong ginagawa mo? Anong ginagawa?
Nagbutang mo, nababayag mo muna gata.
Ayan. Ayan, napagod na siya. Ingat. Ada tao dyan eh.
Dati nagkaroon si Joy.
Baka manok.
This is not a phase, my dear. Time heals the moment, but our hearts were frozen, don't disappear. You were scared from not knowing, but I got a feeling that I'll be right here for the rest of my life. Just know that I'll give you love you'll never wanna share tonight. Tonight. But if the world isn't working the way that we found it when we were too young to love, our attention is running, 5 seconds is burning a hole in our racing hearts. I wish we could find the space, a great escape, where we could finally break the mold. If it's us that we wanted, we're happy after the fall. And I don't wanna change it all. 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 Life be till the end. Tell me stories that I've heard 1,001 times before. I bet. Let me fall into your eyes all over again. I'll be right here for the rest of my life. Just know that I'll give you love you'll never wanna share tonight. Tonight. But if the world isn't working the way that we found it when we were too young to love, our attention is running, 5 seconds is burning a hole in our racing hearts. I wish we could find the space, a great escape, where we could finally break the mold. If it's us that we wanted, we're happy after the fall. And I don't wanna change it all. And I don't wanna change it all. And I don't wanna change it all. No, 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 no.
So, ito po yung sa main entrance. So, dyan po kami dumaan kanina, pakyat sa may museum. Tapos, on this area naman is yung sa may seaside. Kung gusto nyo sa may seaside lang, dito na kayo dumaan. Mas malapit. Kung gusto nyo sa may museum, doon yung may museum. So, yan. Tapos na kami and back to the city. So, until next time.